Imagine trying to stand tall, twist, bend, or even breathe without a spine. Sounds impossible, right? The vertebral column is not just a stack of bones, it's the architectural masterpiece that holds us upright, protects our lifeline of nerves, and allows to move with grace and power. But here is the twist. This structure, so central to our existence, is often overlooked until something goes wrong. Today we are diving into the anatomy of vertebral column, not just to memorize bone and regions, but to uncover the story of how this silent guardian shape every move we make. Ready to explore the spine like never before? Let's unlock the secret of the backbone of life. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Vertebral column contains a spinal cord with vertebral cavity. It distributes weight throughout the body but mainly to lower limbs, supports head, provides attachment to ligaments and muscles, facilitates movement and stability. Vertebral column is located within the axial skeleton, possesses 33 bones of in young age. These bones are classified as irregular bones. The vertebral column is divided into 5 regions. Number 1 is cervical vertebra. 7 cervical vertebrae C1 to C7 in the neck region. C1 and C2 are unique and have specific names. C1 is the atlas and the C2 is the axis. 7 cervical vertebrae C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6 and the last one is C7. Number 2 is thoracic vertebra. T1 to T12 articulate with 12 pair of ribs in the chest region. 12 thoracic vertebra T1 to T12 articulate with the rib, 12 pair of ribs. This is 12 pair of ribs. Number 3 is lumbar vertebra. 5 vertebra L1 to L5 in the lower back region. Number 4 is sacral vertebra. 5 fused sacral vertebra S1 to S5 and make sacrum. Number 5 is coccygeal vertebra. 3 to 4 fused vertebra make coccyx, also known as tailbone. Average adult vertebra consists of 7 cervical vertebra, 12 thoracic vertebra, 5 lumbar vertebra, 5 sacral vertebra, and 3 to 4 coccygeal vertebra. That's a wrap for today's video on vertebral column. I will upload interesting and informative videos soon. Stay tuned to watch with us. Thanks for watching.